The power in that would be if you focus on just procedure, just memorization versus procedural fluency and accuracy alongside conceptual understanding. If you memorize something and you forget it, you just forgot it. But if
Right.
you have a quick way to solve a problem, if you the algorithm, a shortcut, and something's not working out, you can actually analyze it and say, wait, where's my thinking breaking down? Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot this. So if you think about a student, say, for example, long division, multi-digit multiplication, there are all these rules and steps, and then you bring down, and then the dead monkey smell bad. But then if you don't also have that conceptual understanding, when you forget one of those zeros and your answer's off by thousands, which is totally unreasonable, you don't notice because as far as you follow the steps, you did the thing, you got the answer, and it should be correct.
It should be
So
correct.
the danger is that you might create students who are walking through life thinking, as long as I do the steps in the right order, I'm good. But what happens when you forget the steps or skip a step, or you don't understand what the steps are even about? And fractions is a good place to, again, give an example of even secondary educators who are teaching algebra and they're thinking, whoa, these kids don't get it. But did they get fractions? Because the true gatekeeper, it would be fractions. We don't know if we don't understand. So what's happening when we are multiplying fractions? What's happening when we're dividing fractions? If we don't understand that part of it, just memorizing the steps and the tricks will not help us. And it does take away our power.
It does, because then I, as a learner, right, the person who does a thing that we call learning something and learning how to do something, if all you've given me as an educator are tricks,
Yep.
and I don't know the when, the how, the why, then when I'm in an actual situation beyond the four walls of a building,
Yes.
without pieces of paper in front of me or even my device, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what to do because you haven't given me the necessary intellectual capacity building
Yes.
to ensure that we're doing it the right way, or the way that's going to help kids learn, right?
Or the way that makes sense to them. When you're stuck and you can kind of find your way because you're putting pieces together, it's really about problem solving.